Designating an ingredient as optional allows your user to decide if the ingredient should be included in a particular recipe. Let's see how we set that up. We have our list of ingredients on this recipe, and I'm seeing there are two types of bell peppers. Let's make the yellow bell pepper as optional. This means that by default, it will not be included in the nutrition, and it will not show up on the shopping list when added to a meal plan. And a member can include this ingredient if they want. Let's take a look at what that process looks like. I'm going to head over as a member to the meal plan section where I already have a meal plan set up with this recipe. If I look at the shopping list, the produce section only shows the red bell pepper. If I go in and edit this recipe, you'll see that the optional ingredient shows, and the member can simply toggle it to be included. What this does is it immediately elevates that optional ingredient to an actual ingredient of the recipe. So nutritional values have been updated, and then on the shopping list, the yellow bell pepper shows as well. This gives your users another way to personalize your recipes.